What's up, guys? It's your boy Jordan here, back with another video, and I'm here playing NBA Live 18 on with my team. And if you did not see the last episode, I recommend you see that episode. It came down to literally the final shot, and we destroyed them. But now we're about to play the Detroit Pistons. Let's get into it. Tap down like a billionaire. Come on, warm up already, bro. Warm up already. We need to get this W on. We need to get this shmup on. We need to get this hubby on. We need to get this Stigler on. We need to get this a W, because all we do is take L's. Let's go. Let's tip off. Ooh, got it. Ooh. Guard him. We can't let the centers go off. Oh, this is a mismatch. Oh, Jameer Nelson. We have our own Jameer Nelson. Oh, crossover. He's not doing nothing. I've learned how to play defense with my other account. That's easy. Oh, wow. Oh, Jameer. I didn't know you were like that. Why is my Jameer not like that? Oh, step back. Okay, let's go. Get down low. Oh, wait. Oh. Kyle Singler. Back up. Oh, right back. Fake. Oh, my goodness. No, go, hold. We can't go down 4 early. And we're down 4 early. Oh my god. So this is going to be Jameer Nelson going off on us. Okay. I'm good with that. Just go. Oh, whoa. Give it back to Kyle Singler. Down low. Oh, wow. That's crazy how we did that. Come on. Give me those. Oh, he's pulling up. This Jameer Nelson is going off on us already. It's first quarter. Easy. 2 alley-oops in the game. Score 2 baskets in the season games. Obviously, we're just going to do that. Yes. Just give me that ball. He dunking! Jameer Nelson. This game is crazy. Oh my god. We're throwing alley-oops. We're throwing alley-oops from the top deck, bro. Oh, give me that ball. Oh. Offensive foul! They're turning the ball over. We're still scoring with them, so it's alright. Step back. He hit the game winner for us last game, and he's going to the bucket. Yeah, we had to go to him. He was a monster that game, so. Oh, step back up, step up. Oh, he's really shooting that over us and making that? Oh, I was gonna say. Tie game after 1 quarter. Seems like this is gonna be a good game. It's only first quarter, so we're gonna iso ball with who's over guarding this man. Oh no! Step back. Oh, spin move. Step back. Oh, whoa, oh, fade. Oh, he got him reaching. Bang! Oh, darn, if you reach, I teach, young boy. You gotta know. Oh, yes. Oh, we gotta know. They gotta know. They're not good. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, dang. Well, calm yourself. Okay. They're not guarding him. I didn't want to shoot. He made! Give me that. Oh, reach. Got it. We're reaching. Oh, step back. Right here. For 3. Oh, get the rebound. Oh, he stole the ball. Oh, you gotta get that. It's gonna be 6. Oh, 8 seconds. Oh, get it. Double team. Let's go. That's the back court. Bruh, he's not making that. No, you're not good. Go. Kyle Singler. Whoa, Kyle Singler. You have a mismatch. Kyle. He has a mismatch down low. You give it back to Kyle. For 2. Miss. Give it back. Oh, for the you pass. That's a record or 10 assists in any game mode. Oh, he's just popping a 3. Bang. Oh, wow. Okay, I see you. Kyle Singler. 2-pointer. Bang. Oh, he missed. Low rating? You can't shoot 2s? Oh, my. Reggie Bullock all the way. And he is making that. Okay. Okay, we're here. Fade over the basket. Wet. Okay, let's get it. He's throwing it up. Nope. 16-15 at half. We're doing pretty well. We won that battle. I think 8-7. So we're doing pretty well. Let's go. Oh, that's too much space. Give me that. Wet. And we for 3. Let's go. Give that. I don't need you to shoot. Let's go. Oh, what are you stepping back for? You're not good. That's not in. Oh my God, Luke Kennard. Oh yeah, Luke Kennard shoot. Wait. Oh, that's too much room. But dang, from downtown. He's pulling up. Rick, go. Oh, Kyle Singler from deep. Bang! It's an explosion of threes in this game right here. Let's go. Oh, they give it back to Luke Kennard. No! In his face! We gotta get the boards. We're up by 6. We're doing pretty well. Let's go. Yes, alley pass. Oh, pull up. Brick. Oh, block that. He missed. You're trash. Give it to Enoble. Pull up Enoble. Bang! Up playing with in the third quarter. This is over with. Yes, a turnover. Enoble with the pass. He's going up. Spin move. Pull up again. Oh, bad timing. Yeah, probably. Oh, whoa. He's doing too much. They're down by 9. Let's go. Oh, why do you have this man on me? Do you know I'm the mid-range god? Oh. And they're down by 6. Oh, wow, they cut the lead. We had a good lead. But we got 14 points and they only got 9. I'll take. Or lockdown. We got to lock down. Nice defense. Going up. Pass it in, no way. For 3. Bang! It's too easy up in here. It's raining threes. Hallelujah. It's raining threes. He passes it to Kennard, who dribbles. Goes to the basket. He cannot make the layup. Gets another shot and makes the layup. They're down by 7 with a minute left. 36 left. Unless we choke. Oh. I'm pulling it in your mid. Come on, Mr. Open Look. Yeah, see, come on. Oh, he's pulling it. Brick, you're not good. Go. No way. It doesn't matter. Oh. No way. Back into no way. Brick. Oh, back into no way. Fader. Brick. Oh. I'm trying to get a no way going. They have 1 minute left to get 7 points. There's no way they're going to get 7 points. That's funny. I'm leaving you open. You're not good. 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 You are trash. You're not making that. And we're good. We're gone. Go all the way. Jameer Nelson with the splash. Oh, yeah. No way. Brick. Give me that. Oh. They're down by 7, so I don't care. Really? Oh, they're double. Oh, that's a bad idea. Oh, we tried to lob it up. Oh, my goodness, bro. 37 seconds. There's no way they're coming back. Unless they hit a 3 right here, which is not going to happen because they're all trash. So it's like, what are they doing? They're not good. You're not good. You're not good. You're not making that, so. Give me that. Pass. Oh, that's a free dog. Bet. Back it up. Back it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. Pass the ball. Oh, you got blocked. And that's the dub. You. We just dubbed them. We just dubbed them. That's easy. That was the easy dub, bro. That was the easy dub. It's raining threes. Hallelujah, it's raining threes. We just destroyed them. It's raining threes. Threes. Oh, yeah, update team. Just got Justin Patton on that team, but you already know we're going to kill it. Oh my goodness, bro. Come on. Let's do it. Okay, thank you for 1,000 coins. Do we do another game? That took about, 10 minutes or something? 5 minutes? We will wait till next episode. It's been your boy Jordan. I'll see you next time. I'm out. Peace.